Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today I will explain the methods of preparations of alkenes. How alkenes can be prepared, which reagents are used, what is the purpose of each reagent. I will explain all in this lecture. There are two methods for preparation of alkenes. The first method is by dehydration of alcohols. We should know that what are alcohols. Alcohols are those organic compounds in which alkyl group is attached with hydroxyl group. Ethanol, methanol, propanol, etc. The second point is dehydration. Dehydration means removal of water. So the concept of dehydration is the removal of water from alcohol is called dehydration. Now the question is, how water can be removed? In order to remove the water, we can use the three reagents, and these reagents are, first reagent is Al2O3, but at 340 to 450 degrees Celsius. Second reagent is concentrated H2SO4. Third reagent is H3PO4. And fourth reagent is P4O10. These reagents can be used to remove the water from alcohol. I will take the simplest alcohol. This is CH2H. Actually it is CH3. Single bond CH2 and OH. This is the ethanol. In order to remove water, we will use the reagent, and reagent will be Al2O3. Temperature will be 340 to 450 degrees Celsius. Now the water is removed from this ethanol, H in the form of positive and OH in the form of negative, and this bond is shifted between carbon and carbon, and after shifting of the bond we will obtain alkene CH2 double bond CH2, and side product will be H2O. So this is the first method for preparation of alkene from alcohol. We can also use this alcohol CH3 single bond CH2 single bond CH2 and OH. In the presence of same reagent, same condition, the main concept is OH removed from the alpha carbon and H is removed from the next carbon, which is called beta carbon. So in this alcohol, our resulting product will be CH3 single bond CH double bond CH2 propene, side product will be water. Similarly, we can remove water from butanol, we can remove water from 2-butanol, but we should know that what is the order of ease of dehydration. We have three types of alcohols: primary alcohol, secondary alcohol and tertiary alcohol. What are primary alcohols? Those alcohols in which OH group is attached with primary carbon. But again the question is, what is primary carbon? The carbon which is attached with only one carbon atom or no carbon atom is primary carbon. Second is secondary alcohol. Those alcohols in which hydroxyl group is attached with secondary carbon. What is secondary carbon? The carbon which is attached with two carbon atoms is called secondary carbon. And third is the tertiary alcohol, in which hydroxyl group is attached with the tertiary carbon. And tertiary carbon is that carbon which is further attached with 3 carbon atoms. The very important concept is, what is the ease of dehydration of alcohol? We should know that the ease of dehydration of alcohol, order of ease of dehydration. The order of ease of dehydration is, it is very easy to remove water from tertiary alcohol. Tertiary alcohol is greater than secondary alcohol. It is greater than primary alcohol. This is the order of ease of dehydration of alcohol. This order shows that it is very easy to remove water from tertiary alcohol and it is very difficult to remove water from primary alcohol. I will take the secondary and tertiary alcohol. First alcohol is CH3 single bond CH2 single bond CH and OH. Single bond CH3. We want to remove water from this alcohol. And second is CH3 single bond CH3 single bond CH3, and this is the OH. In these alcohols, this carbon is secondary carbon, so this alcohol is called secondary alcohol. This carbon is tertiary carbon, so this alcohol is called tertiary alcohol. But the question is, why it is easy to remove water from tertiary alcohol? Why it is difficult to remove water from the secondary alcohol? Actually, these methyl groups are electron donating groups. They donate electron to the carbon. And due to this, partial positive charge of carbon become less and CO bond become weak. Actually, the strength of CO bond depends upon electronegativity difference between carbon and oxygen. If this become more positive, this strength become less. This is the main concept. And in order to remove the water, 75% H2SO4 is used for secondary alcohol. But for tertiary alcohol, only 20% H2SO4 is required. Temperature is 140 to 170. Here again 140 to 170 degrees centigrade. Actual difference is, in case of secondary alcohol, 75% H2SO4 is required, which is very concentrated. For the removal of water from tertiary alcohol, 20% H2SO4 is required. It means that it is very dilute. The products will be CH3 single bond CH, double bond CH and CH3. Side product will be water. In this case, CH3 single bond C, double bond CH2. This will be CH3 plus water. So this is the first method for preparation of alkene from alcohol by dehydration of alcohol. Second method is by dehydrohalogenation of alkyl halides. Second method is by dehydrohalogenation of alkyl halides. Alkyl halides are those organic compounds in which alkyl group is attached with the halogen atom. Dehydrohalogenation mean, D means removal, hydro mean hydrogen, halogen mean halogen. So we can say that removal of hydrogen and halogen from two adjacent carbon of alkyl halide is called dehydrohalogenation. I will take the example of alkyl halide, CH2H single bond CH2 Cl. How hydrogen and halogen atoms can be removed? Which reagent is used? In order to remove hydrogen and halogen, we will add KOH in the presence of alcohol. Why alcohol is added? KOH is solid. When alcohol is added in KOH, it becomes ionized. Then it will remove hydrogen and halogen, and hydrogen is removed without bond, halogen is removed with bond. This is the removal of hydrogen and halogen, and this bond is shifted between carbon and carbon. After shifting of this bond, H2C double bond CH2. Main product is ethene. The side product will be KOH react with HCl. One is the acid, other is the base. They react to form KCl plus water. So our side products will be KCl plus H2O. This is the concept for the side products. Now I will take the example of CH3 single bond CH2 single bond CH2 Br. Propyl bromide or bromopropane. When KOH is added in the presence of alcohol, the main concept is halogen is removed from alpha carbon and hydrogen is removed from beta carbon, and double bond is formed between this carbon and this carbon. So our product will be CH3 single bond CH double bond CH2, and side product will be KBr plus H2O. We can also prepare any alkene from any alkyl halide from alcohol. The questions which can be taken from this part: how can you prepare 1-butene from alcohol and alkyl halide? How can you prepare 2-butene from alcohol and alkyl halide? How can you convert 1-butene into 2-butene? How can you convert 1-butene into 2-butyne? How can you convert 1-butene into 1-butyne? These are the different questions which can be taken from this method of preparation. This is all about the method of preparations of alkenes from alcohols and from alkyl halides. Thank you.